Welcome to another online tutorial from Tablelands Libraries. I'm Francis from the Afton Library, and today I would like to introduce you to the Far North Wellbeing website. It is a fantastic resource providing high-quality health consumer information ranging from cancer to nutrition, pregnancy and palliative care. All resources on this website have been recommended and endorsed by health professionals. It is your go-to place for any health questions you may have. You can access the Far North Wellbeing page in two ways. On your PC, go to Google and type in Far North Wellbeing, and you should see the link of the website right at the top and click on the link. You can also access it from the Tablelands Library's online catalogue in the e-library section. Scroll down to Far North Wellbeing and click on the link. To find out more information about the Far North Wellbeing website, click on the Facts, Frequently Asked Questions. It will give you answers to what if my library doesn't have a book, or how can I make a suggestion. About Us tells you more about the project and, most importantly, that the webpage does not replace the professional advice of your doctor. Then there is a listing of high-quality consumer health websites and databases that you can search for free. If we go back to the home page, you can see that the information of the different health pages is set up in several broad sections, divided into more specific topics. Place your cursor over the heading Life Stages, and the list pops up with the subheadings. Let's have a look at personal well-being and then specifically at food and nutrition. Click on personal well-being and you can see pictures for the more specific topics. The page also has a number of websites, podcasts, recordings and apps. The websites include topics on physical and emotional health. To go to a specific topic, click on the picture of the relevant topic. Today we're going to look at food and nutrition. Each topic is set up identical and is divided into several boxes. On your right you will find emergency contacts, online resources such as support groups, websites and apps. On your left-hand side is a book list box. Most of the books are available from Tablelands Libraries and can be borrowed for free by members of the Tablelands Library service. The online resources box is divided into support groups, websites and apps. For some of the apps, a charge may apply. For most topics, there's also a non-English language resource box. To find out more about web pages, place your cursor over the link and the description box pops up giving some basic information. All online resources have been selected and endorsed by health professionals. To check out the website, click on the link and have a browse by scrolling up and down or clicking on a link within the web page. Once you have finished exploring, and to go back to the Far North Wellbeing web page, click on the Far North Wellbeing tab at the top of your computer screen. On the left-hand side, the book list displays the cover of the suggested titles as well as the publication date. All books have been selected by health professionals specializing in the field. The content of the books is in non-medical jargon and aimed at the general public. Underneath the title you can see a link if the title is available from Tablelands Libraries. Some items are also available from Cassowary Coast Libraries. You can only reserve items from Cassowary Coast Library if you're a member of that library service. To reserve a book you are interested in, click on the Tablelands Libraries link and it will take you directly to our online library catalogue. If you are a library member, you can now place a reservation for this item. The catalogue entry displays more information about the book, in which library branch it is currently located, and if it is available or on loan. Click on the Place Reservation button. Enter your borrower ID, the barcode number on your library card, and the password in the top right-hand corner and click on Login. If you don't know your password, you can call any of our libraries who will be happy to assist you. Change your pickup location if required. Then confirm your reservation by clicking on the Place Reservation button. A message pops up to confirm placement of your reservation. To go back to the Far North Wellbeing website, click on the Far North Wellbeing tab on the top of your screen. We will now have a look at the health literacy topic. Health literacy is the skills and knowledge of a person to access, understand and use information to make decisions and take action about health and healthcare. The information resource box includes topics on consumer health and patient safety. The other info boxes are for apps and podcasts and government websites. Instead of Googling, I would like to recommend the Health Direct webpage for any health queries you may have. Health Direct contains a large range of information including A to Z health topics, which is divided into conditions, symptoms, procedures and the A to Z listings. Let's have a look at skin cancer and specifically at skin cancer symptoms. There is a short 1-minute read article and you can also listen to the article. There are more related pages and other articles you may be interested. Before you click on the link for the articles, you can see which organisation has published the information. When you have finished reading and you want to go back to the Far North Wellbeing page, go to the top of your screen and click on the Far North Wellbeing tab. If you need reliable, authoritative and good quality health information, Far North Wellbeing is your go-to place. But remember, it does not replace the professional advice of your doctor.